Today we are making holiday cookie box with 10 different cookies, from chewy cookies to cutout cookies, all from one dough. I'm going to share my hack to make everything at the same time. Let's get started. To make the base cookie dough, use soft butter so that everything blends easier. Mix butter, powdered sugar, and salt until everything looks even. And add whole egg and yolk. Clean up on the way and stop when it looks nice and smooth. And add all-purpose flour and almond flour. A lot of times flours are left at the bottom of the bowl, so make sure to clean and scrape it off. This dough is very simple to make, just the key point is to make it even. So like I said, we're gonna make 3 flavors today. So let's work on vanilla first. Add vanilla extract to the half of the base dough, and we're gonna make 4 kinds of cookies with this vanilla dough. The first one is snowball cookies. Everybody loves snowball cookies. Add your favorite toasted nuts and chill the dough so that it's going to be easier to form a ball. The next one is piped cookies. And as an option, you can attach nuts, chocolate chips, or anything you like. And next, roll the dough and chill to make it hotter. And cut out with cookie cutters to make the wreath shape. So this dough is very soft at room temperature, so you definitely have to chill to cut out. I like to use freezer because it's fast and the dough stays cold for longer time. And attach anything you like on top to make it look festive. And to make chewy chocolate chips cookies, simply add brown sugar and baking soda. And of course, chocolate chips. And chill the dough. And today I divided it into 15 gram, which is really small. So of course you can make it bigger as you like. And push the top like this and attach some chocolate chips on top. Today I used mini chocolate chips. Okay, so that's it for vanilla dough. Now we're gonna work on gingerbread dough. To the base dough, add molasses, ginger, cinnamon, allspice, clove, and all-purpose flour, and mix. And take some of the dough, and we're gonna make chewy gingerbread cookies by adding brown sugar and baking soda again. And cold granulated sugar all around the surface. These gingerbread cookies spread the least in the oven, so that's why I squished the top the most and sprinkle more sugar. And we're gonna use the rest of the dough for gingerbread man cookies. So the gingerbread dough feels the softest. So if you feel the dough starts getting too soft as you cut them, just put the dough back in the fridge and come back. So first I attached sprinkles for the eyes and it looked kind of creepy. So I switched to a toothpick. So I created the eyes and mouth using that. And attach some sprinkles and let them dress up nicely. And last flavor is chocolate. Add cocoa powder to the rest of the base dough and take some of the dough and add brown sugar, baking soda, and milk to make chewy chocolate cookies. And this one spread the most compared to other chewy cookies, so I didn't push the surface too much. And roll the rest of chocolate dough to make Linzer cookies with jam and simple star cookies. So by then, I had some leftover dough from some flavors, so I collected them and added some dry fruits and mixed nuts to make slice and bake icebox cookies. Today I did a square shape, but you can do a circle or a rectangle or any shape you like, and freeze it completely. And slice. Bake them at 345 Fahrenheit, which is 174 Celsius, for about 6 to 15 minutes. The baking time really depends on the size of the cookies and also the oven. If you want light, crispy texture, bake until you see nice golden brown all around the edge of the cookies. Box it up nicely to gift to someone special or enjoy at home with your family and friends. If you tried it at home, I would love to know how you enjoyed. Today I made 10 kinds of cookies, but of course you don't really have to make all of them if you don't have a time. You can just pick one flavor with like hue design. Really, you can decide which one you want to try. And of course, you can make half batch or double batch or more. I try to simplify this recipe so that you can easily change around those things. So about the baking time for those chewy cookies, because I made those cookies really small today, they get baked really quickly. With my oven, it took about 6 to 7 minutes. The gingerbread cookies tend to get baked the fastest. Last is chocolate cookies. Today I baked everything on the same tray. So I took out the gingerbread cookies first and then bake the rest again, but it's a little bit troublesome, so you may want to bake them on each separate tray. When it's hot, it's soft, but once they are completely cooled, they get a lot firmer, so try not to bake too long unless you want to make them crispy.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes.
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season with a little bit of really good baking goods. I have one more holiday tutorial coming up next week, so stay tuned. Enjoy pastry 11, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.
I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I